Can I have them hiccups? Give them to me. Give me. Give me. Give me. Give me. What? What do you think, honey? I'm gonna talk you to mommy? Tell me what you think. I think those teacups are terrible. What do you think? They're terrible. Just terrible. Yes, I know. Noodle. Oh, goodness gracious. Is it gonna talk to you or just growl? Oh, just gonna growl? I'm just gonna growl at you. Yeah. Let me hear. Tell me about it. These stupid teacups, I can't get rid of them, Mom. I did get rid of them, but get them out your belly. Get them out your belly. I gotta take them. I gotta take those teacups. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness gracious. He's gonna get a bellyache. He's gonna get a bellyache. He's gonna get a bellyache. Little me got a bellyache. I can stick my tongue out too. Yeah. Is it gonna talk to you, Nana? Is it gonna talk to you, Nana? Talking to her? Tell her all about them stupid teacups. They're stupid, Nana. I can't get rid of them. They hurt my belly. Oh.